In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up MX Records with Hostinger for your domain. By following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly direct your email traffic to your preferred email host, ensuring that your messages are delivered without any hiccups. Let's start by logging into your Hostinger account. Simply head over to Hostinger's website and enter your credentials in the login section. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the Hostinger dashboard, a hub where you can manage all your domains and related settings. Next, we need to navigate to the DNS Zone Editor, which is where you'll make the necessary modifications to your domain's DNS settings. From your dashboard, locate the hosting section and click on it. You will see a list of your hosted domains. Select the domain for which you want to set up the MX Records. Once in there, look for the DNS Zone Editor or DNS Settings option. This is usually found in the advanced settings of your hosting plan. Now that we're in the DNS Zone Editor, the next task is to work on the MX Records. MX Records are crucial because they tell email servers where to send your domain's emails. Search through the listed DNS records until you find the MX Records. If you don't see any, don't worry, we can add them. To begin, click if there's an option like Add New Record. This should allow you to add the missing MX Records. Here's where it gets specific. You need to enter the mail server hostname and priority number allocated to you by your email service provider, such as Gmail or Zoho. Let's break it down a little. The mail server hostname is essentially the server through which your emails will be processed. This information is typically given to you by your email provider. As for the priority number, it's equally important because it determines the order in which your mail servers are used. A lower number indicates higher priority, so it's generally good to follow the instructions provided by your email provider exactly to ensure optimal mail processing. Once you have carefully entered both the mail server hostname and the priority, it's time for the final step: saving your changes. Scan the page for a save button, often marked clearly to indicate that this action will implement your updates. Click save and give the system a few minutes to propagate these changes across the internet. This propagation process can sometimes take up to 24 hours, but it often goes much quicker. And there you have it, the MX Records are all set up on Hostinger for your domain, paving the way for smooth email operations. Before you sign off, it's a good idea to run a quick test by sending a test email to ensure everything's working as expected. If you encounter any issues, revisiting the details entered could help resolve them. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly configured email system.